Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science in class 10th. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus and the exam pattern. Next, develop a well-structured study timetable that allocates sufficient time to each subject. Remember, understanding the core concepts is far more effective than simply memorizing facts. This foundational approach will build a strong base for your science studies and help you tackle complex topics with confidence. To truly excel, consistent practice is key. Regularly draw and label diagrams and write out chemical equations until they become second nature. Solving previous year's question papers will familiarize you with common question types and improve your time management. Additionally, creating your own short, clear notes for each chapter will be invaluable for quick revisions, helping you recall information efficiently during exam preparation. Don't let doubts linger. Always seek clarification from your teachers or classmates right away. Supplement your textbook learning by exploring online resources and educational videos, which can offer different perspectives and explanations. Where possible, try to perform simple experiments at home or in the lab to visually understand scientific principles. This hands-on approach makes learning more engaging and helps solidify your understanding of complex topics. Finally, consistent revision is paramount. Go over all your topics multiple times to ensure retention and identify any weak areas. Remember to prioritize your well-being by getting enough sleep and maintaining a balanced diet. A fresh mind performs best. And hey, while you're focusing on your studies, don't forget to keep your surroundings pleasant. For a fresh car scent and other great deals, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.